Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm going to tell you the winner of the Fort Worth Fabric Studio Lilacia Love Quilt Kit. I was intending on putting up the video for the winner tonight, but we're getting home a little bit later than we expected, so I'm doing it from my car. So yes, there's going to be black bars on either side of this video. Bear with me, I'm doing the best I can for my phone. If you're not the winner, I'd love for you to still sew along with me. That begins July 24th. You can get the free patterns at Fort Worth Fabric Studio's website. Go to the digital patterns and go to the Lilacia Love and bookmark it, so every Monday you can grab the patterns. You can always sew from your stash, or they still have kits available, or as of a couple hours ago they still did. I'm not on the internet right now, sort of not. Whatever I can do from my phone. So that's that. So the winner is Candace Johnson. So Candace, congratulations. If you can email me please by Monday, July 17th. If I don't hear from you by then, I'm going to pick another winner at Stephanie's with an S .stitches@yahoo.com. I will put that down in the description box below. That's one of my kiddos. And no, I'm not driving. My husband's driving, so I'm safe. That would be great. Get in touch with me. Give me your name, your address, where to send the kit to. I want to get that out to you as fast as I can, so that way you can have it when we start the sew along. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for coming over. I appreciate all of you coming over to the video, being subscribed to me, and supporting my channel. I will see you tomorrow for Saturdays with Steph, live at 5, and then in a couple weeks for the sew along for Fort Worth Fabric Studios. Take care, everybody. Bye.